Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Friday. I'm Mrs. Stein, and I am thrilled to be with you for another Celebration Friday at the Creek. There is so much to celebrate this week as we continue our journey to love, learn, lead, succeed, and close out the month of April. Here's just a few things I'm going to share with you this week. Up first, Miss Llewellyn's kindergarten class. Everybody give them a cheer. Do you want to hear something amazing? I look at a lot of numbers each week and every day in some of my work, and I couldn't believe when I read that 91% of the kids in Miss Llewellyn's class are consistently meeting their Lexia usage goal. That's 20 out of her 22 kids log in every day and meet their goal. They've done that for 4 weeks in a row. Miss Llewellyn's class, we celebrate you. I also challenge everyone out there watching to get on Lexia each and every day and meet your goals. It's a computerized adaptive program that meets your individual needs and will help you learn and grow in your reading. So which class is next that's going to take their lead from Miss Llewellyn's kindergarten class? Okay, we're going from kindergarten to 4th grade now because Miss Carpenter shared with me 3 students that have amazing stick with it. Chris Nunez, Gabe Bowles, and Kaya Inman have done every single assignment since the beginning of the school year. You heard that right. They haven't missed a Google Meet. They haven't missed an assignment. They've done everything that their teacher has asked of them. That's incredible. These 3 students deserve some major celebrations. I want to thank you for being such leaders at Ballinger Creek, and I challenge the rest of us to see what we could learn from Chris, Gabe, and Kaya in our endeavors as we finish strong the rest of the school year. Speaking of finishing strong, we have a student here, Peyton Maller, who Peyton has been working so hard to master word problems, and she spent each and every day with her stick with it, not giving up, and here she is pictured as she has mastered this skill. Peyton, we are so proud of you, and today we celebrate you and all the other students out there that might have some personal accomplishments that you're feeling really proud of. Feel free to send them my way through Schoology or through your teacher, or you might just want to take a minute this morning and sit back and know that you are doing your best and being your best every day at Ballinger Creek. And as we end this Celebration Friday, I want to look ahead to next week and share one thing with you. Boys and girls, next week is Staff and Teacher Appreciation Week. We couldn't do everything we do each and every day without the teachers that are right in front of you, either in person or on your Google Meets, the support staff that you might see around our building. Everyone plays a role in Ballinger Creek's success. So as we look ahead to next week and we get ready to celebrate our amazing staff, I want you to think about that and maybe think of a way that you can show your appreciation. We'll talk more about them next week. Everyone have a fabulous Friday. I'll see you soon.